Hey everybody, I know you see me lying down here on the ground wondering, well, why is he laying there? Well, there's a very good reason behind it, because if you look right above my head here, you will see a nice little projection light that, well, looks like the launch logo on the Model Y. If you are any fans of the channel at all, you've seen me drive around in my Model Y, and these are the logo projection lights that came from Tesla. Well, the ones on the back are actually pretty dim because those are just normal lights. And so I've decided to shake it up a little bit. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the logo lights for the launch series, we're gonna put those on the back doors. And what I'm gonna put on the front doors are from our friends over at Foronetry, who have sent us Tesla logo lights that go in your door. And these things look pretty nice. So stick around and I'll show you how to put these in. Look in the description below to see how you can get great discounts on many Tesla accessories. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you back in just a moment. Okay, so here we have the Puddle light, which is the old Tesla launch logo light. And we're gonna take this out of here by putting this tool in here. And you wanna get on the side because it has a couple of pins on the side. So you're gonna push in and then you pull down and it's gonna pop right on out. All right, so I got it out of there, and believe me, this one was a lot tighter than normal. They're not usually this tight. All right, there's a safety clip that we have to push down on here, and then we can pull out on this clip right here. And that detaches just like that. We're gonna set this aside for right now because I'm actually gonna wind up putting this in the back. All right, so I have the new Puddle light that I'm gonna attach. This is it right here. And here's this clip, and it's just gonna attach to where the old clip was, and it's gonna clip in just like that. Now, I happen to have it here, and I'm looking at it, I'm shining it on the ground, or on my hand actually, so I can see it easily. To orient it the proper way, this is gonna be the proper way. You just push everything back up in here, and if you notice right here on the side, it has these clips, like that. And you're gonna push it back up in there, and it's just going to slide right into place when you do. At least it should. This one was so tight coming out, I don't know. And you just push it back in. There we go. That's all there is to it, and that's in. All right, so here I am at the back door, and you can see they have this really cheap light back here. And I can tell you right now, you guys want to change these things out regardless because they're so dim you can't even see them. Once again, you just put this thing in and you'll be able to get in there. There we go, we got one side out. And we're gonna go ahead and get the other side out. There we go. And now that pulls out just like that. And that's how the front door should have pulled out. So once again, we have a clip on the back, a safety clip on the back. We push down on that, and it's going to come loose. All right, so this is the logo light I had earlier, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. This is the launch logo light. It just plugs in, once again. So all I'm gonna do is place this back in here. I'm just gonna slide it in, just like this. And it should go into place, just like that. And we're gonna push it in. Boom, and it's in. That's all there is to it. So there you go. It's actually a really easy install, and it adds a lot of character to the vehicle. It's pretty easy except for those Tesla OEM launch series lights were really tight in there. They were very difficult to come out. In most cases, they're not hard to take out at all, especially if you have the non-OEM ones in there. They're very easy to take out. They're just cheap plastic, so you don't even worry about it. They're very easy to take out. Go ahead and change them out. I've done this many times. I've done them on the 3, I've done them on the Cybertruck, and I've changed out the puddle lights several times on these vehicles, and they add a lot of character. And you can check out my other videos where I changed those out. And I've done a lot of LED work, as you can see up here. And I'll put a link somewhere around here as to how we got those in. But don't forget to look in the description below to see how you can get a great discount on many Tesla accessories. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.